Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Selma.
Hello, roadies. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas to you as well. Today we are going to be sharing our Foodie Friday recipes a couple days early so we can celebrate Christmas as a family and not have to worry about the videos. And so I'm going to be sharing a couple of our family traditions that we do every year. One is English trifle, and one will be my homemade eggnog. Now on the English trifle, I will be definitely cutting it down to a smaller version, because usually when I make it every year, I'm using my big punch bowl. That way you can see all the layers and the prettiness and the colors and stuff there of that, and it serves about 15 to 20 people. However, since it's just the 3 of us, I will just be making them in see-through clear Dixie type cups, just the plastic, and I'm going to be using one of those Jiffy cake mixes since they're a smaller version of cake instead of a full cake size like Duncan Hines or Pillsbury or whatever. So on that note, I hope you enjoy these recipes and maybe you'd want to incorporate them with your family. Also, I need to add that the eggnog that I will be sharing with you as well, I will be doing dairy free. That means I will be using almond milk instead of the traditional cow milk. Now, there is going to be kind of a little thing about that. Almond milk will not quite thicken up like regular cow milk will with the recipe. However, if you really want it to be a little bit thicker, then I would put in like a pint or a half pint, whatever the 2-cup version of the heavy whipping cream into it. But then then it's not non-dairy anymore. So there's that choice to use. Wally does not like really thick eggnog, and so no matter if I make it with the whipping cream or without, he's always adding extra milk to his liking anyway. And so the total choice is up to you as well. But this eggnog recipe is also non-alcoholic since we are not drinkers, but I do use the rum flavoring. And on that, I hope you enjoy your Christmas and holidays, and we will see you next week. And remember to always take the scenic route in everything you do, and enjoy your family and loved ones, and we'll see you next year.